Hey everyone, this is Sarah Bernstein,
And Elise Lane.
and we're the editors of Dismantle Magazine. We are still working on preparing our upcoming online writing workshop. It's called Your Public Voice. It runs from July 8th to the 31st, and it's all about how scholars and academics can transform their writing into accessible, engaging, marketable stories to sell to general audience outlets. And
find more information below,
yes,
and link to so you can join us.
Yeah, we really hope you'll join us. There's still spots left. And so we wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what we're going to be doing. And one of the things that we'll be doing is actually, what's exciting about this is we're going to be workshopping pieces in real time. So you'll come away with it with something actually in your hand that you can develop and try and sell. So I wanted to ask Elise, as the editor of Dismantle, what she thinks, something that she sees a lot in her work as an editor for Dismantle, and that's sort of an exciting transformation that you see a lot on Dismantle.
Okay, yeah, so I mean, mostly, I was telling someone the other day, a lot of what we receive at Dismantle is a lot of, full professors are working on, and what that means is that we get a lot of stuff with a lot of academic, not jargon, yeah, I guess jargon, or a lot of references. So one of the most exciting things to me is whenever someone uses, writing for an academic audience, they have a lot of theory, they've got a few Foucault quotes thrown in the first couple paragraphs. And that's not really going to fly with the general audience. It's perfect for an academic audience. They love that. But for a general audience, they don't really want to know everything that Foucault said and how much you know about Foucault. They want to know the seed of the idea. So what I love doing with writers is kind of working through how to make that transformation. How do you, take this whole paragraph that's filled with, or a couple paragraphs filled with Foucault quotes, and put it down to one or two sentences and make that core idea relate to your topic, and give body to your topic rather than just show everybody how much you know about Foucault, which is fine, but
Right.
again, not what audiences are generally looking for. They want to hear more what you're going to say. So we're definitely going to work on that in the workshop, exercises to help kind of make that transition in those kinds of specific ways. So
You can keep the rigor and keep the interesting kind of contribution to a discussion. You just don't have to weigh it down with all of the quotes and citations. And
right. Yeah, you want to give, you still want to make a reference, but not necessarily, it doesn't have to be such an in-depth reference as you might have for an academic audience. So.
Right. Cool.
Yeah. So I can't wait to play with that with people, and as we workshop papers, and so join us.
Yeah.
Links below.
Yes, follow the link, join us. We hope we'll see you. We've still got a few spots, like I said, and it's really easy. You just send me an email and we'll sign you up.
Great.
All right.
Great. We look forward to it. And now we're going to get back to work.
Get back to work.
All right.
Bye.